Good morning, students. A lot of you are dealing with JKPSC English Literature syllabus uncertainty. We are still waiting for the updated syllabus. The JKPSC syllabus is not yet clearly defined right now, which is causing a lot of confusion. Of course, we are still waiting for JKPSC to release the official syllabus. There can be a lot of rumors or fake news that the syllabus has been circulated on the Telegram channel, but it is not true. And many people keep saying that it will come soon, but nobody has any confirmed date for when it will be actually be published on the official website of JKPSC. So now let's get back to the old syllabus. From looking at the old syllabus, it has only 3 topics: British literature, literary criticism, and English grammar. Okay, you can see here unit 1, it is from British, unit 3, it is from British, unit 4, it is from British, and again unit 5, that is non-fictional prose. These are the essays written by Bacon, Addison, Lamb, and Hazlitt. Okay, again this particular syllabus is very vague. We can see here unit 1, 3, and 5 are from the old syllabus from British literature, and this suggests that British literature will continue to be an important part of the JKPSC English Literature examination. But then we are also not sure what to study specifically in British literature. You know that British literature is so wide, from Anglo-Saxon age to post-modernism. It is very wide. So we are not sure what to specifically study in British literature. So we have to wait right now. Yes, we have to wait for JKPSC to give the specific topics. The same way the Haryana has just given the HPSC syllabus. Okay, we have to wait for Jammu and Kashmir J&K government to release the same syllabus. So you can see here, this is the HPSC syllabus that they has released. Like you can see over here, they have asked Christopher Marlowe's, Dr. Faustus, William Shakespeare. They have specifically mentioned all these writers, all these works: the Duchess of Malfi, Volpone or the Fox, The Way of the World, Arms and the Man, Look Back in Anger, Waiting for Godot, Iceman Comets, Death of Salesman. From American literature they have given these works, and from Indian literature they have given these 2 novels. This is for the HPSC, Haryana Public Service Commission. The same way we have to wait for the JKPSC. Now if you study British literature, the way you are already studying, it is very vague because British literature is very wide. So we have to wait for such type of syllabus from JKPSC in order to have some clarity. So trying to study complete British literature without specific syllabus is overwhelming. Just now we have discussed, and it is inefficient. It is simply too broad a topic to cover thoroughly without knowing the exact requirements. Now, what to do while waiting? Do not stress much about it. Until the official syllabus is declared, we should not worry about it. I know that anxiety about uncertain requirements make the preparation harder. The government is delaying to release the syllabus, and that is causing the uncertainty. So I would suggest you to focus on other competitive exams like UGC NET, CTET examination, BEd while you wait for the syllabus. Right now you cannot study anything in JKPSC. Specifically, what I have seen is that grammar and literary criticism are the topics most likely to remain in the syllabus. So if you are only preparing for JKPSC examination, then what you can do this month is to get hold on the grammar part, grammatical tenses and all those things that are mentioned in the JKPSC syllabus. Okay, let's look at the syllabus again. These are the things that we are sure about right now. So you can prepare these topics in this 1 month until JKPSC release the syllabus of English literature. Alright, so coming back to discussion, we have to take actions right now. I strongly recommend all the students to email or tweet the officials. Don't be afraid to express your frustration about these delays in your emails, in your tweets. Officials need to understand how these delays impact serious candidates. So once the syllabus is finally released, you will at least have clear direction for your studies. We do not know when they are going to conduct the examination, but at least they should release the syllabus. Maybe they are going to conduct the examination next year or after 5 years or after 6 years, but at least they should be giving the syllabus right now so that you have clear directions, that you have enough amount of time to prepare for the examination whenever they are going to conduct it. Opportunity will meet the luck, but then they must give the syllabus. So here we have the course update. We have not yet updated the JKPSC course. Okay, the old course we have updated some of the video lectures, some of the PDFs based on the old course. We are also waiting for the new syllabus. You can get the early access on Limitless Literature mobile application and join this JKPSC course. As soon as the JKPSC syllabus is released, we will update new content according to the designed syllabus. Now focus your energy on what you can control. You can control only the grammar section. So don't waste time worrying about other sections in the syllabus like British literature. Okay, you can control grammar and literary criticism. In British literature, if you want to study, you can go through the important works that they have mentioned in the old syllabus. So that's what you can do right now, but we are also waiting for the specific syllabus, the way they have given us in the HPSC syllabus. This makes the study easier and more predictable. Coming back to the discussion, keep preparing for other competitive examination or other goals that are most certain on other PhDs, B.Ed or MA Net English, because they are most predictable and every 6 months UGC Net is going to happen. So that will be helpful for you. Alright, so let me know your views in the comment section below. Let me know your doubts in the comment section below, and we will update a new video on the same. I will see you soon in the next video. That's it for this. Thank you.